Hello programmers, we are going to understand if else statement using the project. We are going to build a calculator app which is going to ask the user for two numbers and ask for the operation also, and based on the user input we are going to do the operation. So for that, let's say we have a variable called number1 and ask number1 from the user. So I'm going to say input enter number 1. Okay, so we are going to convert it into the float, type it into the float. Now just copy this one and do the same for number 2. Instead of number 1 we are going to say number 2, and number 2, let's say enter first number and enter second number. Okay, so this way this will looks good and user will not get confused. So yep, now what we are going to say, we are going to say operation. Okay, so we are going to ask user for what operation they want to perform. Okay, so choose one of, and we are going to give them an option plus, minus, then into, and division. Okay, and this time we are going to give this kind of choosing one. Now we have a number 1 and number 2, then operation, then let's use the if statement. If operation is double equal to plus, then we will perform plus operation. That means print addition is, so, and you can just pass number 1 plus number 2 here. Okay, so now else if operation is minus, then we'll do the subtraction. Okay, print difference is, and again do the same. What we are going to say, number 1 minus number 2. Okay, then the answer is multiplication, so we will take operation is asterisk, then we are going to say print multiply is, so just give any space, and number 1 into number 2, and at last we have to check if the operation is division. Operation is division, then as you can see we have an error here because the slash symbol is in string is also used as an escape character. So what we can do, we can just put the double slash. So first one will say don't skip the second one. So you will understand this concept in the later video, so don't worry. So understand that this is the single slash. Okay, so then we're going to say print di division is number 1 divided by number 2. But when we do this, then if value of number 2 is 0, then we cannot divide any number by 0. So what we'll do, we will put another if statement. Okay, here if number 2 double equal to 0, print, we will say number 2 cannot be 0. In the else statement we are going to perform the action of division. Okay, so this way we can just put the nested if else inside here. At last the value of else, we are going to just see the value of else as print wrong option. Okay, we are just going to say the wrong option here. Now if you see the program, then we have just asked the number operation, then based on the condition we do the thing. So let's run the program. Enter first number, I'm going to say 12. The second number is also 12. Choose an operation, then I'm going to say plus. You can see addition is 24.0. So only I made a mistake, like instead of backslash we just have to use the forward slash here. So just use the forward slash here, then it will be good. Okay, so let's rerun the program and let's do the division here. I'm going to say 12. Let's say second number is 0 and you are choosing the division, then number 2 cannot be 0. Okay, so this condition is triggered. First it comes into the this, then second it checks this and only go to the program. Now let's run for the last time, and 12, and if you just use 5 and use the division here, you will see division is 2.4. so this way you can create a very basic calculator app using if else statement in Python and input function. So you can try out more, you can play around it, and you can make more conditions, or even you can try to make it a little bit better. So thank you for watching guys, and make sure to subscribe for more videos.